Good afternoon, sir. This is our 50 terms of non-institutional correction subject matter. First, custody is the guarding or penal safekeeping. It involves security measures to ensure security and control within the person. Board refers to the Board of Pardon and Parole. Carpeta refers to the institutional records of an inmate, which consists of his meticulous of commitment and order issued by the court after conviction. Next, director refers to the director of the Bureau of Corrections. Parole refers to the conditional release of a prisoner from a correctional institution after he has served the minimum of his sentence. Next is the parole supervision. Refers to the supervision by the probation and parole officer of a parolee. Next is the probation. Probation is a disposition under which defendant after conviction and sentence. Probation and parole officer refers to the probation and parole officer undertaking the supervision of the parolee. Next is the regional director. Regional director refers to the head of the parole and probation administration in the region. Next is the release document. Refers to the discharge and parole issued by the court. Next is warden. Warden refers to the officer in charge of the provincial, city, municipal, or the district jail. Reprieve, the act of responding the enforcement of sentence, particularly a death sentence, to allow appeal. Next is the probationer. It is a person placed on probation. Probation officer, one who investigates for the court a referral for probation or supervise a probationer. Next is the petitioner. Petitioner, a convicted defendant who files a formal application for probation. Next is the president. President has the power to grant pardons, amnesty, commutations of sentence, reprieves for all offenses except emplacement. Next is parolee. Parolee is a continuing to receive treatment even when he is already in the outside. Next is the Board of Pardons and Parole. Is the agency in charge with the release of sentenced prisoner based on the modes specified by law. Next is the imprisonment. Imprisonment leads to the other problems related to an offender, stigmatization, and socialization. Next is the parolee. Parolee and pardonee may not transfer from the place or residence designated in his release document without prior written approval of the BPP. Next is the pardon. Pardon is a form of executive clemency granted by the President of the Philippines as a privilege extended to a conduct discretionary act of grace. Next, a formal petition. Formal petition refers to a written request of a document submitted to a court. Next is the Parole Probation Administration o PPA. Conduct investigations of all cases in relation to parole, probation, and pardon. Next is the post-sentence investigation o PSI. P is a document prepared by probation or parole officers after an individual has been convicted. Next is pre-parole investigation o PPI. It is the investigation of an applicant or petitioner for probation. Involves a thorough study of his criminal record, family history, educational background. Next is the amnesty. So amnesty, it is an act of an authority by which pardon is granted to a large group of individuals. Next is the absolute pardon. It refers to the total extinction of the criminal liability of individual. Next is the conditional pardon. Conditional pardon refers to the exemption of an individual within certain limits or conditions. Then, commutation of sentence. Commutations of sentence it refers to the reduction of the duration of a person's sentence. Next is a fine. Fine as an amount as a compensation for a criminal act. And the executive clemency refers to the commutation of sentence, absolute and conditional pardon with or without parole conditions as may be granted by the President of the Philippines upon the recommendation of the BPP. And next is the sentence. Sentence is the penalty imposed by the court upon person convicted of a crime. Next is the punishment. Punishment, it is the redress that the state takes against an offender where it signifies pain sufferings. Next is the barangay. Barangay is the Philippines has its unique and indigenous way of setting dispute and treating offenders at the smallest political unit level. Bail. Bail is a monetary amount for a condition of a pre-trial release from custody of law. Next is a conviction. It is the judgment of a court of judicial offender or judge that the accused is guilty of the offense. Next is the penalty. Penalty is the suffering that is inflicted by the state for the transgressions of law. Next is mititimus. Mititimus is a warrant issued by a court directing the jail or person authorities to receive the convicted offender. Next is the client. Client refer to a parolee or pardonee who is placed under supervision of a probation and parole officer. Next is quorum. Quorum. A majority of all the members of the board shall constitute a quorum. And next is the meetings. Meetings. The board shall meet in executive session regularly or upon the call of the chairman. And next is the appeal. Appeal refers to the process by which a convicted individual requests a higher court to review a possibly overturn a lower court's decisions or a sentence. Next is in bank. In bank, it refers to a session in which all the judges of the courts participate in the hearings and decisions making process rather than the usual panel of judge. Next is waive. Waive means to voluntarily give up or relinquish a highly privilege or claim. Next is the referral. Referral refers to the process of directing an individual to a specific program, service, or authority for further assessment. Next is the prisoner. A prisoner who is under the custody of lawful authority. Next is the prosecutor. Prosecutor is a legal official who present the government proceedings. And that's all. Thank you.